Yes, hello students. I'm going to discuss some questions related to health and hygiene. The most serious malaria is caused by, that is called as malignant malaria. Malignant means it is very harmful malaria. Immediately it will affect, once it occurs, immediately it affect around surrounding tissues also. So this malaria is caused by Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum. So the correct answer is Plasmodium falciparum. Okay, this Plasmodium falciparum is cause serious malaria, that is malignant malaria. Okay, students, next one. The primary lymphoid organs are. So this will comes under immune system. Okay, the primary lymphoid organs are option A, bone, marrow, and thyroid, B, thymus and spleen, C, thymus and bone marrow, D, tonsils and thymus. So bone marrow, option A, bone marrow and thyroid. Thyroid is the endocrine gland. So option A will not come. Next, thymus and spleen. Thymus is primary lymphoid organ, but spleen is not comes under primary lymphoid organ. So spleen is the secondary lymphoid organ. Then thymus and bone marrow. Thymus and bone marrow. And option D, tonsils and thymus. Tonsils and thymus. So option C is the correct answer. Thymus and bone marrow. That is the primary lymphoid organs. Next, third question. Stool with excess mucus and blood clots is the symptom of amoebiasis, filariasis, ascariasis, teniasis. So amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is also known as amoebic dysentery. Filariasis is amoebiasis caused by Entamoeba histolytica, and filariasis caused by filaria, that is Culex mosquito. Okay, that is the Vectoris Culex mosquito. Then ascariasis, Ascaris lumbricoides, teniasis, Tenia sagittata, that is a beef worm. Okay, so this four are the disease. So amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. So the question is, stool with excess mucus and blood clots is a symptom of. So answer is amoebiasis only. So you know the symptom of filariasis, ascariasis, and teniasis. Okay, filariasis symptom is that is inflammation, that is swelling of lymph node, automatic lower limbs and also swelling. So that will swelling that will happen. Ascariasis, that is intestine will be affected. Teniasis also the same. Okay, so the correct answer is amoebiasis. Next one, discovery of blood circulation by William Harvey disproved. So already we studied in the starting itself, that is for humor we studied, no, that is what? Blood, yellow bile, black bile, and the phlegm. So after the discovery of blood circulation, William, so in ancient time, the scientists, that is like Hippocrates, they proved that is a black bile. If a particular person having excess black bile, the body will be hot and he is affected with fever. So he, after the discovery of blood circulation, William Harvey disproved good humor hypothesis. So remaining three are wrong. Okay, next one. Select the false statement. Option A, viral test is used for confirmation of typhoid. Malaria is transmitted through Culex mosquito. Mary Mallon was a typhoid carrier who continued to spread typhoid for several years. Plasmodium releases pneumozoin. Cocaine and antidepressants cause hypertension. Okay, so the first option is correct answer because viral test only the confirmative test for typhoid. Second one, malaria is transmitted through Culex mosquito. So that is the wrong statement. Okay, malaria is transmitted through female Anopheles mosquito. So next one, Mary Mellon, we studied that is he is affected with typhoid and he cooked and then he sent and he sold all the whatever she cooked. Okay, that one he supplied, so that many people were affected by typhoid. And Plasmodium releases hemozoin, that also correct. And cocaine and antidepressant causes hypertension. Okay, children, please go through this 5 questions. Thank you.